Okay, so in these videos, we're looking at the practice worksheet for synthetic division. In the previous video, we did numbers 1 through 6. Now we're going to take a look at problems 7, 8, and 9 in this video. So we want to use the factor theorem to determine if the divisor is a 0 of the original polynomial, and if so, rewrite as a product of two factors. So in number 7, right, remember that the divisor is the number out front, and that comes from a factor of x plus 1. So negative 1 is my 0. The factor associated with it is x plus 1. And I know that x plus 1 is a factor because the remainder is equal to 0. Okay? Then because the remainder is equal to 0, the factor theorem tells me that my quotient times the divisor is a factored form of the original dividend polynomial. So I would have my constant of -2, then my linear term is -x, and the quadratic term is x squared. Okay, my original polynomial, this would be the constant, the x squared, and the x cubed. So the remainder being 0 allows me to write this original polynomial of x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. I can rewrite that as a product of two factors, the divisor, x plus 1, times the quotient, x squared minus x minus 2, right? And that would be my original polynomial as a product of two factors. Okay, looking at number 8, I can see that my remainder in number 8 is not equal to 0. And because the remainder is 27 instead of 0, the divisor, x equals 4, is not a 0 of the original polynomial. So x equals 4 is not a 0 of, and my original polynomial, this is the constant, the x squared, and the x cubed, right, in the dividend. So x equals 4 is not a 0 of 3x cubed minus 10x squared. I don't have to put the linear term because that 0 is a placeholder for it, so I just go straight to my constant of -5. Okay, then in number 9, we have a remainder of 0, which tells me that the divisor was a factor of x plus 2, and the quotient, this is my constant, my x squared, my x cubed. So my divisor times the quotient is going to be the product of two factors. The original polynomial, the dividend, this is the constant, the x squared, x cubed, and x to the 4th power terms. So x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus x squared plus 5x plus my constant 6 is equal to a product of the divisor, x plus 2, times x cubed plus x plus 3, and that's the quotient.